Alright guys, we just got to a job out here in Alliance. I will tell you it's a mess. It's a property somebody just bought to rehab and make into a rental, so they're not going to do too much to it. Doing it on a budget. See what we're getting into. I was here yesterday and looked at it. It's a wet basement, old ream furnace, too big for the house, shitty install. But I'm going to get you down here. This one here we get into sometime. I was debating on even showing it. Not much we're going to be able to do with it. We're basically going to, some of these pipes here that are rusted and rotted apart, going to put a new boot in that one. Cap and collar these. And get started. This thing's out. Get off both ends. Keep that.
Take this one off.
Yeah, be careful with the 90 in case. Nah, it's pretty rusty. That's one of the boots got to be replaced.
Alright.
And this one over right here above the furnace, this is the cap and collar we're putting in right here.
Okay. That's that one that was nasty, right?
Yeah, there's no cap in it. It was rotted off.
So we can drop the furnace off and touch that if it's on the ground.
Pipe wrench in here.
If we just take the metal, that's what I was thinking.
I mean, I can just lift this up.
Yeah, perfect. Now we're going to do it right here.
Here, you want the hands here?
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll just take
This side's up.
I just didn't want to touch the bottom of it, you know what I mean?
I don't blame you. It's nasty.
I think.
This one here is stopping us a little bit, but it's good enough for this time. Want to come this way?
Should.
Hold on, we got a lever here.
Oh, you just pull it out.
No. It's
I have a nail hose. Yeah, just pull it. I'm going to tilt your side up.
Yeah, so you can get this won't be a problem.
The break.
Alright, I'll take you outside for just a minute.
That marker.
Yeah. Here's a marker. Alright, on these you can see how this return air on this old furnace is cut out. And basically what we're doing is it covered. You can see where it went over to and covered. Actually, you might want to stay off the back just a little bit more because you can see the screw hole here was kind of close.
Two on bottom, I just went two everywhere.
Give it a little extra, yeah. This is the old ream. Not too bad. Let's see what year this thing is. Let's see. I can't see the model and serial number on it, but this is the old ream heat exchanger. They held up pretty good. Been noticing lately, after taking some older ones out, that these chambers over here on these heat exchangers, right back in here, usually on this left side, in fact, will come out of there. This one here is in there pretty good yet. See if I can get it to come out how they... This one's in there real good, actually. But you can see back in here, metal gets thin, starts to rust away and come out. This one, not so much. But so right now we're just measuring the return air, putting the hole in the same spot. Plenum did line up right on that corner. And we're going to cut it out. Take it in, set it there, do what we can. This here, I usually measure an inch, inch and a quarter, inch and a half over the width of the furnace. Take it, cut two of the sides, back, bend it out like that, cut it down like that. Then I've got something I can bend over here and I can actually slip them into the other S's on the sides. This kind of seals it up a little better. Nope, I don't know if you saw that. I'll do it one more time just in case. On these S-cleats, I usually give it an extra inch on the sides so you can bend the corners around. I take it, cut it in like this, bend it like that, cut it back, and now I can take this side with some hand seamers and bend it around to cover the sides. The corners. Not really round. Shit out of it too. Getting close. It's real close to going in. The drill works real good for catching cobwebs. It kind of reels them right in. Nasty. this off of here, kind of hanging there. Had to go over there. Alright guys, this is finished product. That's all it's getting, that's all we're doing. Just trying to get them heat, get this dried up down here. Can't go around changing everybody's ductwork. Nobody wants to pay for that all the time. They're usually just happy if they get heat. I hate working like this myself, but it is what it is. Had to replace this boot up in here with a new one because it was so rotten there was no way to tie onto it. The other one was pushing it. That's it. And we're going to check the draft here now. At the water tank hood. Make sure that the flame is going into the water tank, not blowing anything out of it. And it is.